Don't receive such a preacher
into your house.
into your house. It's dangerous for your house, for your children. It's dangerous even for your dogs. You can't have such a guest.
This is another episode of 3 Minutes whereby we're just posting sermons only for 3 minutes. My name is Godke. Kanochonora pa Facebook, do follow. Kanochonora pa YouTube, please do subscribe. Na asinda yana video la Makandiwa chitaura ivo kuti Musangopa Mafundisi Mari. Check this out.
How do you know the man of God has the right message, the right gospel before you support? Now he's putting it in a letter now. These people are coming. They are coming, they have a message, but I want to alert you people before you receive these people into your habitations. Look out for this. Now, what is he saying now?
If they come unto you and bring not this doctrine,
This specific doctrine that says Christ came in the flesh, if they don't bring this message to you,
receive him not
don't receive such a preacher
into your house.
into your house. It's dangerous for your house, for your children. It's dangerous even for your dogs. You can't have such a guest. So there must be a way that you listen to the preacher before you open your gates. So he must first of all present his message outside of your territory, outside of your apartment, outside of your premise, outside of your property. There must be a way that we get to hear him talk before we accommodate. Don't rush into hospitality. There is a vetting process that most people have skipped. They've gone on to support men of God whose messages they didn't understand. He is warning us against keeping a preacher whose message does not cover the Christ. No, so by saying do not allow them into your house, it means they must not start off by preaching from your house. What gives them access into your house is the right message that they carry. So there must be a declaration of the correct message that they carry outside of your property. You must have heard the preacher first before financing him. These people are coming into your house to eat. They are coming into your house to sleep. So before you make such a preacher comfortable, you must have heard the message that he carries. So don't be quick to send your money to any preacher because he's got a crusade. Anyone can hold a crusade. What is the message of the preacher? What does he carry? What is his focus and his emphasis? Because this letter is going to save you from a lot of misery. Even as a child of God, if you are quick to keep such an individual in your house, there is what is calling partaking in his evil deeds. We are getting there very soon. He's saying by doing so, you are a partaker of an evil deed. This man is not sleeping around. He simply does not have a message. He struggles to represent and to present the Christ. And it's an evil deed.